Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 stupid Lightroom brush tricks, with apologies to David Letterman. Okay, these tricks I'm going to show you are really simple, but they'll come in really handy. Now, of course, the brush tool is in the tool well. It's the far right tool. And the first trick I want to show you has to do with painting in color, which is, in my opinion, a very underutilized feature of the brush. Now, down towards the bottom, you'll see there's the word color, and to the right of that is a little color swatch. If you click on that, you'll be able to pick a color, and you see there's an eyedropper, and you can just click and pick a color, and then you could paint in that color on your image. Well, sometimes we'd like to match a color that is in the image. Now in this case here, we really only have that kind of aqua color in the red. And I could just click on the color swatch and try to match it in the swatch. But there's actually a way you could pick it right from the image. Click on the swatch anywhere, and you'll notice as you move around, that little square that is underneath the eyedropper moves around as long as I leave my mouse button clicked. Well, if I come off the swatch and go on the image, you'll see now I am really picking a color that is in the image. You can see when I'm over one of those kind of aqua leaves, you can see the color swatch has that little square over an aqua color. And when I move over the red flower, it moves all the way over in the top right-hand corner over red. If I go on her skin tone, it's more towards pink. So you can see I could pick a color, and I want to pick one of these kind of crazy-looking aqua leaves. So we'll pick that. Now you'll see that that is our color. That's the color we'll be painting with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a lighter vignette on this image. Maybe that's too light, but we'll see. But there I was able to paint in aqua because I picked the color directly from the image. And again, I think that's a very underutilized feature, that is painting in color in Lightroom with the brush. Now, if I want to reset the color back to no color, just double click on the word color and you'll see I reset it. Very easy to do. Now, the second tip I want to show you, I'm going to go to this just 18% gray image here, and I'm going to reset the color. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to just paint in a very straight line. So I'm going to take feathering all the way down, and we're going to get a brush. And as you know, you could adjust the size of your brush with the center click wheel on your mouse, or if you have an Apple Magic Mouse, just drag your finger across the mouse, or you could use the bracket keys on your keyboard. The right bracket key makes the brush larger. The left bracket key makes the brush smaller. And of course, you could affect the size of the brush over here with this slider. Now, if I wanted to draw a straight line, I of course could just click and kind of draw a straight line. Well, there's actually an easier and better way to do this. Just click once, go to where you want the line to terminate, hold the Shift key down and click a second time, and you'll draw a perfectly straight line. And you could keep doing that. I'll hold the Shift key down, click again, drew another straight line. Hold the Shift key down, click again, drew another straight line. So it's very easy to really draw a straight line in Lightroom with the brush. And there are many times you may want to do that. You might be doing adjustment to the sky, and there's a really very well-defined horizon in the image, and you could just go right across the horizon very easily by holding in that Shift key. Another little thing you might notice, if you just want to go perfectly horizontal, what you could do is when you click, hold the Shift key in, and you'll notice that I'm pulling my mouse down, but the line is only going perfectly horizontal, even if I go up. So I cannot go vertical at all when I hold the Shift key in. Again, I'll show you that again. I'm holding the Shift key in, clicking with the left mouse button, and I'm dragging my mouse down towards the lower right. And you can see that the line is staying perfectly horizontal. So that's another way you could draw a perfectly horizontal line if you have to. Now, for the final tip, I'm going to show you just this little thing here with the brush, the A, B, and erase brush. Maybe you know this one. This is probably more common. If you're painting and you found that you made a mistake, you could erase it. You could click on the erase tool and you could come in and erase your mistake. Well, there is actually a faster way. If you're painting away and you make a mistake, what you could do is hold the Alt or Option key, and it's Alt if you have a PC, Option if you have a Mac. You'll notice when I press in the Alt or Option key, it will automatically switch from A to erase. So I could quickly do that just by holding the Alt or Option key, and then when I let go of the Alt or Option key, that Alt or Option key, when I let go of it, I again am in paint mode, or have the brush activated. Now you could see it switching between A and erase. Now if you happen to be using the B brush, let's say, and I'm painting like this with the B brush, and I make a mistake and I hit the Alt or Option key, again it switches to erase, and I could erase that, but it erases everything, just so you know. But you could pop over to the erase key, and then when I let go of that Alt or Option key, it will switch back to the B brush because that's the one that was active. So you could quickly and easily erase things by just holding in that Alt or Option key. So there are really 3 simple tricks you could do with the brush in Lightroom. Thank you, everyone that watches my videos. I truly do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.